Come on. So this is where we picked our first 80 birds, they're presidential turkeys from, and then we brought it down to 20, and now we have less than 10. So it was a pretty rigorous process for the birds. Now, these are the drinkers where they get their water, and everything's really automated in here. So the drinkers refill themselves, and we have to wash them every day. And over here, we have the feed lines. So they run, there's a big bin outside that feeds all the feed and puts it into this hopper, and then the hopper distributes it through all the pans. And that's how they eat. So here's my dad coming in from Greenbush from my grandpa's feed mill. And that's where he mixes all our feed. And our feed consists of corn and soybean meal. And the turkeys really enjoy it. So what happens is, he loads the feed into that big silver bin. And then it goes down the bin, and if you can see those white tubes, it goes up into the barn and into the hopper inside the barn.